Wanted to make a short video here before I put the seat in, just kind of outlining what I've done with the mounting system, kind of made some modifications. So this seat was electric powered, and there's a heavy electric motor mounted underneath, and then also a lot more bracketry and all sorts of sliding parts and all that kind of stuff to make this seat move back and forth and tilt and all that kind of stuff. So I eliminated that, and I was able to actually work something out. Based on my measurements, I think it should go in and it should be in a good position, but it's going to just be stationary because it's bolted hard. And basically what I did is this base bracket here was the original bracket that basically the whole system mounted onto. The only difference was it was flipped up the other way around, so it would be a little lower here, so by the time that all got built up it would be at the right height. But I was able to actually flip it around, and just with making the bolt holes a little more oblong, I was able to get the bolts through. Then this is the final piece that would bolt through the floor, and in between those two originally would have been all the mechanism and all this kind of stuff. There's a lot of moving parts, a lot of weight. So I've probably shaved a good 50, 60 pounds off of the seat just by getting rid of everything. It was heavy, that's for sure. And so basically what I did is I just had to flip this, do some measurements to make sure my bolt holes will line up with the floor correctly, and if I did everything correctly, it should drop right in. I just wanted to do a little video before I drop it in, just so you can see what I've done. And I reused all the original hardware. I just had to drill new holes to mount the bottom bracket on. The bottom mount, I guess I should say. It's not really a bracket, but aside from that, it all seems to be going pretty well. And I've been putting this off for a long time because I didn't really know how I was going to get to it. And you can find a lot of aftermarket options for sliding systems, all that kind of stuff, but I figured even if I did that, I'd still have to modify it to fit my seat. And then, you bought something maybe just to find out that's not going to work. So then I just kept thinking that it was just going to be a nightmare trying to get some sort of sliding system on the seat. So I figured I'd just try to do something where I could mount it solid. I picked kind of a happy medium for the position of the seat, so hopefully when I put it in, it'll be in a good spot. And I'm okay with that. Like I set my seat once in my vehicle and I leave it like that forever, kind of thing. So as long as it's good, I'll be happy with that. And if it's not, then I can, worst case scenario, I'll take the seat out and maybe readjust something or mess with it a little more. But there we go. That's the operation so far. I'll do another video later on once I get the seat in, and hopefully it goes well. And that is the update. So thanks for watching.